Hello! Welcome back. Me and Sarah are here, and we're going to do an We're going to do an unboxing video. We are going to unbox a great fair.
This is a
good fair box. Good fair box. Never took a left. Oh, that cart was a jack of wheels.
Oh god, oh god. Ew, this looks terrible.
Alright, so we're going to jump right into this Good Fair box. Sarah's going to explain a little bit of what it is. We haven't opened it yet.
Sure haven't.
So we have no idea what's in here. This could be a total fail, or it could be something really cool. Apparently, they send you vintage clothing.
Well, they kind of do. So it's like a level. Like you can pick different things. You can pick like 3 vintage t-shirts for so much money, 5 vintage t-shirts for so much money, like 5 not vintage t-shirts for so much money. So I think I got the 5
vintage for $50.
No, I got the 3 vintage for I think maybe 50, and then the 5 non-vintage for 30. But then there was like a code, so I got percentage off. So I think this whole thing cost maybe like $70. So there's going to be, I think, 8 shirts in here for $70. So
let's get into it.
We're going to see what it is. Let's slice it open. Let's not damage. And they have hoodies,
they got all kinds of stuff. It could be good. It could not be.
Yeah.
We have no idea.
Apparently it's thrifted items. And actually one of the shirts that I did see on their samples was a shirt that I actually found at the Goodwill bins for myself. So here we go. Oh, and they don't give you any packing material. They just throw the shirts directly into the box. So
it's just a box of shirts.
Yeah. It's supposed to be sustainable and recyclable.
This one looks filthy.
No, I don't think it is. Oh, yeah, it is. It's a little gross.
So we've got, what is this? It is Woods brand? Never heard of that brand.
This looks filthy.
And it looks like this.
It has some stain on the back, some stains.
Yeah, it's really musty, and it has some stains on it, if you can see that. So first one we got is
what is the design?
It's like a...
Oh, it's like a unicorn.
Yeah, it's like a unicorn stained shirt.
I don't know, though. I feel like we might be able to read...
Single stitch? It is single stitch.
Yeah, so that must be the 3 vintage.
So this one's vintage.
Let me see this.
And moldy.
Oh, yeah, it smells real musty.
I don't think this is supposed to be that way.
But I'm really thinking that, I mean, you know how people love unicorns now.
Yeah, look at that. There's a good shot of the stains that are on the shirt.
I mean, it is secondhand.
Yeah, it is, but, I mean, I don't know.
It doesn't sound like this. But I feel like we will be able to resell this.
We might be able to resell it. We'll find out.
We might be able to. It's a unicorn. Okay, so that's the first one. The second one, this is beautiful. Okay. That's gorgeous.
Okay. There we go.
Who picks these out?
Flower shirt.
It says
also really, really musty. This is
we might have to wash these before.
No brand flower shirt.
It says to wash on here.
Yeah. This is also single stitch.
Regularly.
There is no brand though. It's no brand.
It says Regal Lily on it.
It says, yeah, it's a Regal Lily right there. So there's that one. Here you go.
Oh man, yeah. It is. They are.
There's a lot of must in this room right now.
So musty.
Oh great! And
this one,
flower.
I know, right? This is so. Oh god.
Spoiler alert!
I don't even want to spoil before the next one. The next one is even more horrible than this.
Okay. What do we got brand wise here? Another. This is like the same shirt, just a different flower. There's the tag. So we've got a rose with some hearts.
Dare I say it? That these look very grandmotherish.
Yes, they are. But for Valentine's Day,
yeah,
this could be a good seller. Single
Get
stitch.
that for the one you love.
No brand again, and super musty. So, this isn't going well.
I don't even want to show the next thing. Because the next thing is literally the most horrible thing I've ever seen in my life. It says, my grandkids hold the key to my heart. Are they literally sending this stuff?
This is McEnergy Sportswear, so it is vintage.
Yeah.
So this is super vintage tag, but the shirt is that. I mean, you know what though? It will sell, but it's not a.
I think.
It's not a. I mean, it's embroidered too.
I think we should do a giveaway for that one.
Well, we'll see. Anyways.
It's like it's
that one.
For me.
That one is. This is not single stitch, so this one's not super vintage
but
either.
What is happening here?
Oh, well,
Hold on. I can't believe this is what they sent. Now, what a good business they got going on here.
They're basically reselling stuff
Literally.
that they thrifted. I wish I would have thought of it myself.
1, 2, 3,
because
4. So we should still have like 4 more to go. Yeah, we do have 4 more to
Okay,
go.
next up.
Next, these are the, I think, this was a non-vintage, and now we're into like the non-vintage. Red Devil, Swim and Dive Parent. Are you serious right now? What is happening?
So, there you go. So this is just like some kind of local school t-shirt.
Definitely.
No tag. In fact, it has their sticker on it, and it says large. So, and they don't give you a choice in your size either. So they just kind of send you whatever t-shirts they have lying around.
Yeah.
Like, this is the greatest business model ever.
How much money are they making off this?
Well, I mean, the next shirt I've seen at Walmart for $7.99.
Maybe you have. Yes. Oh, and I'm just saying that, and you can pick the size too. I think I got large and extra large. So I got extra large in like the old vintage because the sizes ran smaller then, figuring we were going to resell them, but now I just don't even know. Maybe.
If anybody wants any of these wonderful shirts, comment down below.
No, I don't know if this is the one you're thinking it is. It's Christmas time Ninja Man.
I mean, that's kind of awesome. I kind of wish this was in my size.
It doesn't even look like a large. It
I mean,
looks
we'll
like
probably
a shrunken
we'll hang on to this till Christmas or put it on now and let somebody buy it. Definitely not vintage. No.
The next one is hilarious because it. You know how they have the color tags at Goodwill? Yeah. It has it on there still.
Oh, great.
So you know it came from Goodwill.
So these people just go to Goodwills and buy things.
That's what we do, though. So
I mean, it's a good idea.
Party poker. What?
Okay, so this is a party poker. That's an app that you can play poker on, and it's just your run-of-the-mill, swag t-shirt that somebody got. This one doesn't even have the large sticker. It just has a tag that says large.
Yeah, the one before that was the same.
So this right here, we could get at the bins for cents, and nobody would ever buy this because nobody wants this shirt. So essentially, there's one more in there.
I know.
Essentially, what they're doing is they're going to Goodwills, buying shirts, and then selling them for $50 in a box, and telling you get 3 vintage shirts, and you do.
Yeah, you do.
But they're the worst 3 vintage shirts ever.
You're literally getting $10. They're getting $10 a shirt.
I mean, props for the business model. It's smart, but as a reseller, I wouldn't. So far.
Oh, seriously? It's like a high school graduation. My future counts. Oh, it's the state of Georgia.
The state of Georgia. Division of Family and Children's Services.
What is even happening?
There we go.
So.
So essentially, what they do is they just go and buy shirts from thrift stores and sell them at a markup. And it's not dumb. I mean, that's kind of what we do, but you're flying blind on this and you don't really know. So it's a mystery box, and the way they advertise it is here, I'll show you the box. The way they're selling this is do your thing for the planet, recycle clothes, that sort of thing. So that's how they're kind of selling their services. Just don't wear clothes that are brand new, buy used ones. And that's what it is. But as far as reselling goes, I don't think we're going to recommend this service.
Yeah.
I can't see any of these shirts selling for any more than $5.
Right.
Even the vintage ones. So, yeah, that's a big...
Yeah,
from us.
I'm kind of disappointed in it too. I mean, honestly, from like the pictures that they showed on the website.
Yeah, they were like band t-shirts and tie-dyes and like awesome vintage shirts, and
Yeah.
we've got grandma's shirts. And,
This is definitely grandma's shirt right here.
oh, totally.
This is definitely grandma's gardening shirt for
Oh yeah.
summer 2021. Hashtag gardening.
If anybody wants any of these lovely shirts, comment down below. We'll
Yeah.
consider sending them to you.
We will.
Free
I
of
think we're keeping
charge.
the unicorn though.
Yeah, we might try to sell the unicorn.
I think I'm going to auction off the unicorn one.
It's not that vintage. It says 1990 on it.
That's 30 years ago, darling.
I mean, it is, yeah, but yeah, Sarah's got.
The unicorn, the best one out of all of them. Somebody got a little bit sick on, I think.
Probably.
But this one we're going to definitely auction off. But like you said, comment down below.
Yeah, if you want any of these shirts or all of them, comment down below. And
man.
I mean, we probably won't send you all of them for free, but we'll send you some of them.
And we might, yeah. We will. What?
My neighbor's mowing outside, so if you guys hear a whirring noise in the background, that's what it is. He's mowing like right outside this window, and you know, he should know better.
And also, are you going to put this part in?
I can go whatever.
We'll send you the shirt and the sticker.
So you'll get a shirt and a sticker.
A Pittsburgh Packer sticker. I'll put it on your car.
All right, guys, and that's it. So the final verdict is
Out of 10, I would give it a strong 3.
I'm a 2.
Yeah, it's not that good.
And it's a light 2, because I don't think it borderlining on 1, because I mean, I understand what they're trying to do, and I
Yes.
get it that they're doing the save the planet, and that makes sense, and it's a good business model, but
Yeah.
they're not really giving anything of any sort of value. It's a bunch of the stuff that any of us would walk by. So I guess from the consumer's point, if you're just looking to get used clothes and you don't really care what they are, it's a great idea. But if you're a reseller, no,
Yeah.
giving it a 2 for resellers. If it's, you know, if you're a regular consumer, maybe a 5.
I give it a 10
They're
for grandmas.
Really, really musty. Yeah, and if you're a grandmother that likes to wear shirts that say things about your grandkids, 10.
And gardening.
Gardening. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And I know there's people out there that haven't, so there's buttons like right here. Just click subscribe. All right, and that's it. Thanks so much. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
Good day, sir!